Hey, you guys! So excited. All of you have just won a trip to Disneyland. How do you feel? After this quarantine, I would be thrilled. Unfortunately, your trip to Disneyland is going to be, how can I put it? Well, virtual. We have some great activities in store for you, but the first one we got to do some math. So let me show you what this is going to look like. So I'm going to come over here. When you open your Disney assignment, this is what you are going to see. You've just arrived for a Disney vacation. Complete the chart on the following slide and make sure to finish answering all the questions. Every single one of the days, there is a different activity. All of them are, you've guessed it, Disney themed. So here's this first assignment. Let's look at it. Now, for me, this is too small. I like it bigger. My eyes are old. So I'm going to go over here and click on the magnifying glass. If it's gray like this, it means it's not selected. So I'm going to click again. Click on the area I want to. Do I want any bigger? Nah. I'm going to go back out. I'm going to zoom out one time. All right. So here are the instructions. I'm going to make sure I click on the arrow right here. Okay, so now I can click anywhere and I can type my answers. So let's look at the instructions. The following are height restrictions for some of the rides at the Magic Kingdom, aka Disneyland. Complete the chart by converting inches into feet. So we need to know one big piece of information. How many inches are in 1 foot? If you said 12, you are correct. So we are going to look at this and we're going to do the problem. So we have 32 inches. So I'm going to write 32 inches on my paper. The inches. Now I'm going to divide it because I want to know how many feet there are. So I'm going to divide it by how many inches are in a foot? Okay, 12. You are right. So 32 divided by 12. Some of you can do this in your head. Some of you can't. So I am going to do lucky 7 with this. And I'm going to say 12 and 32. Okay, whoops. Can you see now? Good. So 12, I can't use 10, but I can use 1 if I want to. So I'm going to put a 1. 1 times 12 is 12. Oops, sorry. First mistake I've made all year. 1 times 12 is 12. Now I can subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. I have enough. I can do it again. That would be 12. Subtract. That is 8. All right. So if you want to use lucky 7, great. If you want to skip count, you could have gone 12, 24, 36. I can't use 36, it's too big. So I could say 2 times, and then 32 minus 24 is 8. Either way, it still works. So this would be 2 feet. That's how many times we subtracted 12. That makes a foot. So my answer, I'm going to write right here on the paper. I'm going to double click. Oops, I moved the box, which is okay. So I'm going to write 2 feet 8 inches. Does that make sense? Okay, let's try another one. Let's go to the Seven Dwarfs Mine. I love that one. So we have 38 inches. And we got to figure out how many feet. So I'm going to divide it by 12 again. Okay. I know my 12's times table. So I'm going to do 12, 24, 36. So that's 1, 2, 3 times. Sorry, I keep getting out of the screen. 3 times. So that means I'm going to have 3 feet. Now I need to know how many inches. So I'm going to take 38 minus 36 because we use 36 inches in those 3 feet. So I subtract, that gives me 2. So I know my leftover is 2 inches. Or if you were dividing like this, if if you're dividing like this, I know that 12 goes into 38 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. Minus is 2, so that becomes a remainder of 2. So the main number is your feet. The leftover, your remainder, are your inches. So we're going to come to the next problem. I'm going to highlight it and write 3 feet 2 inches. Okay, that's all you do it. So you need to continue doing that for all of them. So you're going to answer the rest of those. Make sure you divide and figure it out. Some of them are similar, lucky you. And then you're going to figure out if you were 34 inches, which rides could you ride? Or if I was 39 inches, which ones could you ride? Make sure you fill that all out. And good luck. Thanks, guys.